Okay, today we are at the Seven Lakes with another Generac generator installation. It's a 24 kilowatt feeding the whole house. And they have propane instead of natural gas. If you wonder how we do the generator 24 kilowatt for the whole house with that, it's the modules, smart management modules that are going to manage the load so that it doesn't overload the generator. And here is the location of the generator. So we have a plant here. We're taking it out. Propane is right here. You have to be 10 feet far from the propane and 3 feet from the heat pump and 5 feet from any windows. Those windows, they don't open, and still we are 5 feet from them. So we're good. The meter is right after the fence. So we do the rough part today, and then we're going to get in touch with the PUD to come pull out the meter, and we're going to do the rest of the installation. Meanwhile, our gas technician is going to show up to do the gas connection. The storm season has started. There are about 350,000 people out of power. And we are doing a generator installation right here. It's a 24 kilowatt. It's going to work with liquid propane. Generator is already installed. And it's going to feed the whole house. Transfer switch is mounted. We are waiting for the PUD to come disconnect the power. So the way this generator works is that there are two liquid propanes connected together. So the consumption is going to be parallel during the power failure. They're having a fireplace that works with liquid propane too. So the fireplace and the generator are going to consume the gas at the same time. They have a Wi-Fi module on it, so as soon as it reaches certain level, they're going to come refill the propane tanks. 24 kilowatt is good enough to feed the whole house. They have a heat pump and fireplace heating system is propane too, by the way. So yeah, it's going to be good enough to feed the whole house. The important part about the gas connection is the size of the pipe that they're using, the number of elbows, angles, they all matter. So they have to calculate it and size it properly so that it works when you need this generator during the power failure. Otherwise, it's going to be starving. If the gas line is too small, the generator is going to be starving. It's not going to function properly. The other thing that you have to consider, make sure that this is installed correctly, is that this gas line that comes with the generator, this is a flex hose, and it has to be horizontal. It has to be straight. They shouldn't bend it or twist it. It's sometimes just easy to bend it and use it as a 90 degrees. But then in future couple of years, if there is anything wrong with the generator and we have to claim it under warranty, Generac might simply void the warranty because of that. The gas line has to be painted so that it doesn't rust long term. The size of the regulator is important. If you're super far from the generator, you need two regulators. If it's close, one regulator is going to do the job. Always go with the certified technicians who have done the job before and have a good reputation so that you have peace of mind during the power failure. These are the documents. There's very good, very useful information in there about the generator, about the maintenance, also about the installation. So we put them all together in this envelope for the customer, and the transfer switch on this side. We will submit the 10 years warranty for on this unit ourselves. So we take care of the whole project from the permits to building permit, gas permit, electrical permit, warranty, all of the stuff. We'll take care of it. Customer has peace of mind. The only thing that the customer might need to get involved is when we have to upsize the gas meter. So we have to inform PSC about the BTU of the generator. And then if they have to upsize the meter, they need the contract to be signed by the customer. And there is a small charge, $357 to upsize the meter. Most of the cases, if the line has to be changed from the property to the city, then we have to the street, they're going to charge more than that, but most of the cases it's just a meter that has to be upsized, which is $357. So it's good. We have our stickers on the generator and on the documents that we gave to the customer, so that they have our number accessible if they have any questions. Sounds good, nice and clean. Just gonna wait for the customer to start the generator, show them how it works, install the app, and we are done. Did you have a chance to see our videos?
No.
No, we have probably around 40 videos on YouTube, yeah.
Oh, about learning about it? Or?
Different jobs, different situations, yeah.
Oh, okay.
For the either customers, or it's not technical.
Oh, okay.
We don't try to make it
Okay,
technical,
good.
no.
Oh my God.
No, but
okay.
yeah, it's for the customers so that they know how it works, you know, the size, the look,
Everything.
right,
Okay.
different panels, different situation. So the PIN number, the permit is, I wrote it here.
Okay.
So the PUD needs this one technically, which I gave them over the phone.
Okay. And it's fine that this is in front
Right.
of it?
Yeah,
It's fine
okay.
with it? Okay.
Yeah. So I pulled it a little bit so that they do the job, and then I released it. It's all good.
Okay.
Right. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to turn it on or off.
It's always
Just the cover is right here. The surge protector is here, so you can see the light through this hole from here. But you don't need to open it or do anything ever.
You'll put the cover on.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave it on because we need to turn off the switch, turn on.